A prepper pantry is the cornerstone of preparedness. If you're just starting, don't worry, we'll walk you through the essentials to stock your pantry for any emergency. First, focus on non-perishable foods. Stock up on canned vegetables, beans, soups, and proteins like tuna or chicken. These have a long shelf life and provide vital nutrients. Next, include bulk staples like rice, pasta, and oats. These are affordable, versatile, and excellent for long-term storage. Don't forget water. Store bottled water and consider adding a water filtration system for long-term emergencies. Lastly, supplement your food supplies with essential non-food items like first aid kits, hygiene products, and basic tools. A well-stocked pantry is your first step towards self-reliance. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.